And actually, I helped do it for free at the beginning. I just naturally like to help people. And I normally ask, what can we do to help you? And which business do you do? How can we help?
Welcome to GenAI Talks.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the time that we are back meeting with folks that are transforming how we do business, how we interact, and how the world works. And today is nothing short of that. The subject that we're going to be talking about is so human at the end of the day. Trust, connection, being able to do business requires so much of a foundation to even get into the ballpark. And to have a founder here that's doing that at scale, this is history being made. Can you introduce yourself to our audience?
Yeah, sure. Thanks for the introduction. Hi, everyone. This is Elaine, and I'm the founder and the CEO of ProsGrowAI. We help to do some real needs help. We help founders or companies with the trusted service providers they need. For example, we already partnered with a list of the AI accountant company, attorney, GPU providers, inference layer, and even VCs. So founders, you can focus on what matters to you the most. We will take care of the rest. Actually, I'm a software engineer myself for many years in the Valley. And then I have a lot of peers around me. They're super talented with the technology. But the thing is that I saw many projects or great products they build out, but no one use it. But for me, I think the most important thing I found at ProsGrow is I want to help people solve their real problem. That's why, we have a very simple register form in our homepage is, we let people fill in what they need. Let the founders fill in, and then we can understand. We will follow them to get more details about what they want, and then we can follow to see if we can help there. Yeah, I think early days talking to the customer is really fun. Is you really get what their pain point is and have that feeling. I'm not building thing up very high in the sky and no one want to reach it. I just down to earth do things, and also we use AI to do the automated matching for now. But in future we have more exciting things coming.
I want to go a layer under. Trust, connection.
Yeah.
To just do business, if you don't have trust, you don't have anything. Can you speak a little bit to in building the company you've built and solving that problem of trust? Talk a little bit about that.
Actually, ProsGrow established less than a year, but actually I'm a super connector for my founders' friends or other friends in life for so many years. And then what motivates me to found ProsGrowAI because last year or the year before, there are people coming to me, my friends coming to me and say, hey, Elaine, I'm so busy with the company, and some of my friends, they fundraised by the big names like A16Z or other names. And then do you have recommendations for some trusted accountant services? Oh, can you help us find some great AI engineers? And actually, I helped do it for free at the beginning. I just naturally like to help people. And I normally ask, what can we do to help you? And which business do you do? How can we help? People, they're happy if you really listen to them and understand what they say. And then that's where I think the trust begins.
I feel it, and am I working with you? And I would put one word on it. You're very genuine. And again, I've talked to you maybe today, but that genuineness really exudes in how you show up and you ask questions. So everybody, you just got not just a cheat code for business, but for life.
I used to think culture is not that important for startup founders because we're so early. We have limited people. Why culture matters? And then later on, I read books, and I also heard a speech from the co-founder of the Tesla. He mentioned that's important, but I doubted it. When I doubted it, I say it up front. I say why it's important. Then later on, when I grow my company, I realized how important it is. Because the culture is the the mindset of the founder. If the leader have a very bright insight, going into the good directions, they want to benefit the people genuinely and naturally. I think that's a great thing. I'm not saying other people are not good, but there are various people in the world. But for me, I genuinely want to towards in that way is to be genuine, to be like build the trust connections with people. I'm not rush into my business like to expand in day one, but if we build the foundation at the beginning, then later on it will be naturally grow very quickly.
So just one of the things I wanted to ask you, I think is really important during this moment, is what's your big bet?
We have some really big pictures in future. Okay, I don't want to say, okay, we have it now. I'm not a person who like to brag a lot, but for now we're doing that like the real match and help people. But in future, in the AI world, like the AI agent, agentic AI, MCP protocols, etc., it goes a lot. So I think one thing is make sure is in the future, every company, they will very deeply using AI to change what they already have. And then in that time, what are the things like hard to build is the connections and trust. So we build that at the beginning. In the very future, that's very probably it's my company's AI agent just talking to our customers' company's AI agent, talk to our partners' AI agent. It will be fully automated. We already have the very good foundation here with the mode. Then it's easier for them to communicate. And then we already got tons of valuable data. You cannot use web crawlers to crawl online. For now, that's our mode and make things happen. All automatically.
Wow.
Yeah,
and
that's my belief.
I'm looking forward to that day, you know, because at the root, what you're then doing is letting people have more fruitful lives.
Stay tuned for the information from our YouTube channel, ProsGrow.ai. We will share more like organic things to help founders there.
And I'll be there to watch. Thank you. This has been phenomenal. I appreciate the conversation.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Big ideas, real tools, bold moves. That's what GenAI Talks is all about. Don't miss what's next. Subscribe and explore more in our GenAI community.